President of International Olympic Cricket Council, ICC, Joy Shaha. CEO, International Cricket Council, ICC, Job Alardic, Geoff Alardic. First Independent Woman Director, ICC, Indra Nooyi. First Asian President of Asian Cricket Council, ACC, Shami Silva, Sri Lanka. President of International Olympic Committee, IOC, Thomas Bass, Germany. President of Asian Olympic Council, OCA, Randir Singh. President of International Athlete Federation, Sebastian Coe, UK. President of International Weightlifting Federation, IWF, Mohammad Jalud. President of International Hockey Federation, FIH, Mohammad Taib Ikram. Ethics Officer and Ombudsman of BCCI, Justice Arjun Misra. President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, ইটালি এবং সুইজারল্যান্ডের বাসিন্দা। প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ ইন্টারন্যাশনাল বক্সিং অ্যাসোসিয়েশন, লাভলীনা বরগোয়ে। প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ বিসিসিআই, রজার বিনি। চেয়ারম্যান অফ বিসিসিআই সিলেকশন কমিটি, অজিত আগারকার। হেড কোচ অফ ইন্ডিয়ান ক্রিকেট টিম, গৌতম গম্ভীর। হেড কোচ অফ ইন্ডিয়ান ওমেন ক্রিকেট টিম, অমল মজুমদার। Director General Sport Authority of India, Neelam Kapoor. President of Wrestling Federation of India, Sanjay Singh. President of Indian Table Tennis Association, Meghna Alawat. President of All India Football Federation, Kollan Choube. President of Volleyball Federation of India, A. Samanta. President of Basketball Federation of India, A. Arjun. President of Hockey India, Dilip Turkey. President of Athlete Federation of India, Bahadur Singh Shango. Chief Coach Indian Football Team, M. Marquis. President of Indian Olympic Association, PT Usha, First Woman. President of Badminton Association of India, Hemanta Biswa Sharma. President of Weightlifting Federation of India, Shahdev Jadhav. President of Indian Paralympic Committee, IPC, Devendra Jhazaria. Chairman, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDA, Devasis Panda. Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation Limited, LIC, Siddhartha Mohanty. MD of Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, RD. DG of Employee State Insurance Company, Ashok Kumar Singh. CMD of General Insurance Corporation of India, Devesh Srivastava. CMD of New India Assurance Company, Girija Subramaniam. CMD of United India Insurance Company, Bhupesh Sushil Rahul. CMD of National Insurance Company, Rajeshwari Singh Muni. MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance, Navin Chandra Jha. Secretary General of FICCI, Shailesh Pathak. President of FICCI, Harshavardhan Agarwal. Secretary of ASCOM, Manish Singhal. President of ASCOM, Sanjay Nair. President of Confederation of Indian Industry, Sanjeev Puri. President of IPCO, Dilip. President of NASCOM, Sindhu Gangadharan. MD and CEO of United Startup India, UTI, Imtiazur Rahman. CEO, National Stock Exchange, Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Chairman of National Stock Exchange, Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. Chairman of Bombay Stock Exchange, Pramod Agarwal. MD and CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange, uh, Sundharaman Ramamurthy, MD and CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange, Sundharaman Ramamurthy.